What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Brick Hive. Thank you for joining me. So here we have the Hulkbuster. It was a fun build. I did enjoy it. It's just, you know, little tiny stud after tiny stud after tiny stud. I had to kind of find some sort of rhythm. And it's very hard to explain, but if you get one of these, you'll find out. The instructions were very easy. I mean, with the exception of, like I said, just the small pieces. I mean, there's nothing really difficult about it, but you know, it is really satisfying because it's, you know, again, like a giant puzzle. Once you start putting more of it together, you know, you start getting a picture. Yeah, I decided to go ahead and choose the Hulkbuster. I love the Hulkbuster armor. It's probably one of my favorite Iron Man armors. If I had the money, I would definitely get all three and build the big picture. But, you know, also the instruction booklet is very, very cool. They give you a lot of good insight on Iron Man and his armor, just different layouts. So the instruction booklet is very cool, very sleek. I like the cover. Just it's very simple but very effective. And when you open it up, you know, it's definitely got a lot of good pictures in here. It explains very easily what you're getting and what it will look like. And then you get a little introduction, basically the man in the armor is what it's called. But yeah, very, very cool insight. I mean, look, they give you the armor type. You know, they tell you, you know, how it was created, why it was created. Give you a little insight on the designers. And then give you a little bit of insight on, you know, the design. So I haven't listened to this soundtrack myself. But I was told that it's not really music, it's just like a podcast, which is very deceiving because this whole time I thought it just came with, like, you know, just a list of songs, and that's not the case. So here they give you a little picture and insight on the big huge separator, brick separator, and then of course the pages where each one starts. And this is what it looks like. You know, you got numbers for each color, and then you put each color with the number, and then once you do that, you put your pins in, and then you move to the next one. And then also they show you, they highlight the area. So, but yeah, I mean, it's very cool. Very, very interesting. Here's the bigger one if you get all three, which is very cool. But to get all 4 pictures, you have to buy 6 of these things, and at 120 bucks a pop. Now you know where I'm going with that. Okay, so here's all the pieces that were left over. A lot of blues, and then this was my random pile I had left over. Quite a few extra pieces left over. So all in all, I really, really like it. But it's just like with, you know, the brick sketches. It looks great. It's fun. It's gonna look great on my wall. I just, you know, I just don't feel like it's worth 120 bucks. But, you know, that's usually the only gripe I generally have with Lego, is just sets being, you know, really, really expensive. But yeah, it's great. So here's the brick separator for that thing. It is quite the massive brick separator. Very interesting. So this printed tile is really cool. I love it. It was really neat. In the instructions, they also showed you, if you didn't want to put the tile here and just wanted to use the studs, they showed you which colors to put in place of that. I thought that was very, very cool. Alright everybody, I hope you all have a great day or night. If you could, just go ahead and smack that like button for me. Join the Brick Hive. Bye everybody.